Hi, in my last video I focused on the amazing product of Gotbackup, how it is on the cutting edge of the cloud backup industry, and why it is a no-brainer for anyone and everyone with a smartphone, tablet or computer to utilize its very affordable technology, not only to store and save files, but to collaborate on a personal or on a corporate level. Gotbackup is simply fantastic. Now, this video will focus on the amazing business opportunity that exists with this phenomenal company and its digital global product. Now, once you become a member and decide to do the business, let's go through step by step what you should do and, more importantly, what you will get in this amazing online business opportunity. Let's go. All right. So, once you become a member, all you have to do is log into your back office and watch the 9-minute video. This video will give you all the basics you need to know about Gotbackup. You will get done for you reseller pages and ad copy for email marketing. Just copy and customize the scripts. You also get pre-enroller ad copy, banners for online and social media, etc. You will get a professional email marketing system for free. When you get people who pre-enroll into your business, all you do is click, customize, and send them a message just to follow up. You will get additional promo material to use also. In your My Business section of the back office, you can check on your downline, look at your leaderboards, commissions, payout, etc. In any business that someone presents to you, one wants to learn about how much money you make. So show me the money. Now in Gotbackup, there are 7 different ways to earn from their compensation plan. Follow along carefully as I lay them out to you. Number 1, the customer acquisition bonus. Every time you get someone to sign up in Gotbackup, even though it's a $9.97 product, you get $19.94, which is a 200% commission. And every time you sign up a customer, you get a recurring 25% of what they pay each month for the service. Number 2, cycle earnings bonus. This is your team cycle bonus. Every time you have 4 persons on one side of your tree and 2 on the other, you qualify for a payout, which is at an average of about $3. So just imagine doing that multiple times. Number 3, you have cycle match bonuses. As you move up to the following ranks, you make the following percentage on the people that you personally enrolled, right? So once you become a sapphire, you get a 25% commission on that person with a cap of 1,000. Emerald, 50% with a cap of 2,000. Ruby, 75% with a cap of 5,000. Diamond, 100% with a cap of 7,500. Double diamond, 100% with a cap of 10,000. Triple diamond, 100% with a cap of 12,000. Blue diamond, 100% with a cap of 15,000. Red diamond, 100% with a cap of 17,500. And the top of the line, black diamond, 100% with a cap of 20,000. And you get these bonus on everyone that you personally bring into the business. Wrap your mind around that. The potential is wild. Now, number 4, you get generational bonus. As your organization grows, the bonuses will increase with the growth. Number 5, dynamic compression. This is when someone above you drops out, the compensation plan automatically adjusts so that there are no gaps, and you will also receive the bonuses that would have gone to the person before you that dropped out. Number 6, rank pool bonuses. Now you can refer to the compensation plan video that we have that will give you more detail, but in essence, what it really means is once a group of people reaches a certain rank, then they are pooled together and share profits together as the revenue is generated amongst that pool. Number 7, leadership bonus. You get rewarded for leadership in building your teams. The thing is, with Gotbackup, it just keeps getting better and better, and there are serious ways in which you can earn in this company. As you refer to our compensation plan video, you'll get detailed information as to all the ways in which you can learn, but those are the 7 ways in which you can learn. Now, Gotbackup is available internationally. You can easily grow a team locally as you can internationally. It's a global product, meaning you have a global business with no bounds. It's very affordable. $9.97 won't hurt anybody. A lot of it can be automated as there are already systems in place, and the work that you have to put in to grow this business is very minimal. So as a foundational member in Gotbackup, and being there from this product was launched a little over a year ago, I have seen much success with this product and opportunity. I have tested many methods to grow this business, and now would love to share my findings, my tricks and secrets with you. If you have gained value from this video and feel impressed to move forward, you can go ahead and visit gotbackupofficial.com, pre-enroll. After you have pre-enrolled, I have a special offer for anyone who's serious about joining my team. I will remove every risk by actually sponsoring you into the business. Yes, I said it. I will pay for you to join in, but you must qualify. And the only way to qualify is for you to text me the words, "I am interested," to the number that I have placed in the description of this video. I will contact you momentarily to see if you qualify. Now, this will change many lives for the better. Don't wait. Pre-enroll at gotbackupofficial.com. Then text me. Let's build you a monster business. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the other side.